going to be making the best apple pie ever. First, we'll make pie crust. For that, we'll need 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, half teaspoon salt, and half tablespoon of sugar, 230 grams or 2 sticks of cold butter. Now we'll add all the dry ingredients in the food processor. We are adding flour, sugar, and salt. Give it a quick pulse. Now we'll add all the butter. Blend it until all the butter is mixed up. If you don't have food processor, you could do all this by your hand too. This is how it looks after mixing. The butter should be pea size. We'll pour it on a pastry mat. We'll divide it into 2. We will not knead it. We'll bring them together and make a disc. We'll put them together like this and then wrap them in the plastic wrap. We'll do the same with the other one. Keep them in the refrigerator for 1 hour. For the pie filling, you'll need 5 or 6 apples. We'll peel and thinly slice them. It should come up to 6 to 7 cups. We'll also need 1.5 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of water, 8 tablespoons of butter. In a clean pan, we will add sugar. We'll keep the heat on medium. It will take about 10 minutes to melt and brown the sugar. Now we'll add the butter. When the butter is all melted, add the flour. When the flour is all mixed in, add the cinnamon powder. This is the best apple pie sauce you'll be ever tasting. Now we'll add all the apple slices. Also add in the water. After 8 to 10 minutes, your gravy will thicken up. Now the filling is ready, you could turn off the heat. We'll take out the dough from the fridge after 1 hour. Let's unwrap it and roll it into a 15-inch disc. Let's roll it away. It's all rolled up. Let's transfer it to the pie dish. Let's put it on the lined baking dish. Set them properly. Let's put the pie filling in the middle. This is how it looks after all the filling inside. Let's put it aside and roll the top. Now it's all rolled up. We'll cut it into 14 strips. Let's pull the strips and put them on the pie. Weave them like a basket and join them together. Take a fork and press them on the edges. Take some milk and brush it on the top. Bake it at 425 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes of baking, our apple pie is ready.